In our fast-paced modern world, convenience often takes precedence over the environmental impact of our daily choices. But what if we could find clever ways to incorporate sustainability into our everyday lives without sacrificing convenience? Today, we're diving into 10 easy yet effective ways to use less plastic in your daily routine. These tips aren't about drastic changes. They're about making small, smart swaps that can collectively make a significant impact. These handy vessels are perfect for packing your lunch, leftovers, or snacks on the go. One simple swap is to use bar soap instead of bottled liquid hand soap. Instead of buying these items in individually packaged portions, head to your local bulk food store where you can buy as much or as little as you need. These single-use items contribute heavily to plastic pollution and are harmful to wildlife and the environment. The solution is simple. Bring your own reusable straw and coffee cup. Invest in a good quality, stainless steel or bamboo straw and keep it in your bag. Options like coconut sponges or loofah sponges are excellent choices. Support brands that align with your values by choosing products with minimal or eco-friendly packaging. From the simplest changes like carrying a reusable bag or opting for bar soap to more involved choices like switching to natural clothing or supporting eco-conscious brands. Each action contributes to a healthier planet. The road to a plastic-free existence may seem daunting, but it's a journey best taken one step at a time. Start with 1 or 2 tips that resonate with you and gradually incorporate more as you become comfortable. Remember, consistency is key. Don't be discouraged by occasional setbacks. Instead, celebrate the progress you make, no matter how small. And remember, you're not alone in this endeavor. Educate your friends and family. Share your experiences. And together, you can inspire a ripple effect, creating a wave of positive change in your community and beyond. Together, we can make a difference. So let's continue to learn, adapt, and work towards a future where plastic waste is reduced and our planet thrives. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And until next time, keep making conscious choices that benefit both you and the environment. Opt for items packaged in cardboard, which is recyclable and less polluting than plastic. Support companies that use recycled materials in their packaging. This encourages the use of recycled materials and reduces the demand for virgin plastic. Make your purchases with reusability in mind. Choose products that can be reused or repurposed to minimize waste. Be mindful of single-use items and ask yourself if there's a reusable alternative. Every time you choose a product with minimal packaging or support a sustainable brand, you're casting a vote for a cleaner, greener planet. They're tough enough to tackle most cleaning tasks and break down naturally in the environment. In addition, consider using reusable microfiber cloths instead of paper towels. These cloths can be washed and reused, significantly reducing paper towel consumption. To complete your eco-friendly cleaning kit, swap out those plastic scouring pads for biodegradable ones made from bamboo or other natural materials. With these simple changes, you'll not only reduce plastic waste, but also breathe easier, knowing you're using non-toxic cleaning tools. When you order a beverage on the go, simply pop it in. Similarly, ditch the disposable coffee cups and invest in a reusable one. Not only will this keep your beverages hot or cold for longer, but it will also earn you that coveted green Starbucks cup discount. Just make sure to bring your own reusable containers to store them in. These tiny plastic fibers pollute waterways and are even found in the cells and tissues of marine organisms. Many of the snacks we enjoy are wrapped in plastic bags, boxers, or films, all of which end up in landfills. To reduce this waste, try making your own snacks at home. This not only gives you control over the ingredients, but also reduces packaging. For instance, homemade granola bars or trail mix are healthier and more eco-friendly alternatives to store-bought versions. Alternatively, if you're short on time, opt for unpackaged snacks at the grocery store. Choose fruits, vegetables, or nuts in bulk and enjoy them without the plastic. Each time you reach for an unpackaged snack, you're making a small but significant step towards a less wasteful lifestyle. The solution? Rethink what you wear. Choose natural and sustainable clothing options such as cotton, hemp, bamboo, or linen. These materials are biodegradable and don't harm the environment. Look for clothing made from organic cotton, which is free from harmful pesticides and fertilizers. Hemp is another excellent choice, as it requires less water and produces more fiber per acre than cotton. Linen is a durable and eco-friendly option made from flax plants. By making conscious choices about the clothes we wear, we can reduce our plastic footprint and protect the planet. This not only reduces plastic waste, but also often works out as a cost-effective option. For example, buying your rice in bulk and storing it in a glass container not only helps the environment, but also ensures you always have a supply on hand for your favorite recipes. Not only does this reduce plastic waste from packaging, but it's also a more economical choice. Natural bar soaps, made with sustainable ingredients, are gentle on your skin and the environment. They come in a variety of scents and properties to suit everyone's needs. Similarly, Ditching bottled shampoos and conditioners for shampoo bars and conditioner bars can significantly reduce plastic waste in your bathroom. If you prefer to use a liquid shampoo, consider using a shampoo in a refillable plastic bottle, or bring in your own container to a refill station to reduce plastic waste. Glass or stainless steel containers are the best choices, as they're durable, non-reactive, and most importantly, recyclable. Unlike their plastic counterparts, glass and stainless steel options won't leach harmful chemicals into your food, ensuring that your meals stay fresh and safe. Plus, they're dishwasher and freezer safe, making them incredibly easy to use. For example, pack a delicious salad in a glass container or bring a nutritious soup to work in a stainless steel thermos. By making this simple switch, you'll not only reduce plastic consumption, but also impress your colleagues with your eco-friendly and stylish lunch. Whether you're a seasoned eco-warrior or just starting out, these tips will show you that living a greener life can be both simple and stylish. So let's dive in and discover how we can all do our part in reducing plastic waste. Say goodbye to plastic bottles. It's time to kick off our list with a simple yet highly effective change that can make a world of difference. Ditching single-use plastic bottles. These notorious polluters not only fill up landfills, but their production also contributes significantly to global warming. These versatile companions are your ticket to saying no to those pesky plastic bags at the grocery store. Opt for a foldable, lightweight bag that's durable enough to handle your shopping haul. Materials like canvas, nylon, or even recycled materials are excellent choices. Keep it in your purse, hang it from your keychain, or stash it in your car's glove box so it's always within reach. This way, you'll never be caught off guard without a bag when you need it. And remember, every time you reach for a reusable bag, you're not only reducing plastic waste, but also showing your support for a cleaner environment. The good news is, swapping them out is easier than you might think. Invest in a good quality reusable water bottle made from stainless steel or glass. Not only will this keep your water cool and refreshing, but it will also eliminate the need for disposable bottles. To make this transition seamless, ensure you have a bottle with a leak-proof design and one that's easy to clean. For instance, bottles with a wide mouth opening make cleaning a breeze. Additionally, opt for a durable, insulated option that keeps your beverages cold for hours. A great tip is to buy one bottle that fits in your cup holder, making it perfect for your car, bike, backpack, or desk. By doing this, you'll not only reduce plastic waste, but also save money in the long run. Always carry a reusable bag. Our next step towards a plastic-free life is to always have a reusable bag handy. Switch to reusable food containers. Another fantastic way to cut down on plastic is by switching to reusable food containers. Use bar soap instead of bottled liquid. Let's turn our attention to the bathroom, where we can make some significant changes. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a fantastic way to reduce plastic usage, especially when it comes to pantry staples like rice, nuts, or beans. Say no to plastic straws and cups. Next up is a change that's catching on quickly around the globe. Saying no to plastic straws and cups. Rethink your clothing. Did you know that clothes made from synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon release harmful microplastics into the environment? Cut down on packaged snacks. Our next tip focuses on packaged snacks, a significant contributor to plastic waste. Use eco-friendly cleaning tools. Conventional sponges are often made from plastic foam, which isn't eco-friendly and can't be recycled. The solution is to use natural and biodegradable sponges. Be a conscious shopper. The final tip in our journey towards a less plastic lifestyle is to be a conscious shopper. As we wrap up our exploration of 10 easy ways to use less plastic in your daily life, remember that every small step counts.